We're going to get houses.
We're not looking at houses, we're in a truck.
Okay, we're in a truck right now, but we're going to look at houses.
You know, they're only going to get our ball. Because it's so close to you. Now they're going to get way out there.
Look at the pretty trees. I'd marry that tree right there. And that one. I'm just kidding, I would not marry a tree. We'll jump to, we will fall together. Totally, for sure. I just got a manicure this sun. I swear, it's bleaching out my gorgeous hair. Something, something, go, go, win, win, fight, fight. Gee, I hope I look alright. And something about, duh, duh, I always look alright. Or, brick wall, waterfall, girl, you think you know it all, but you don't. I do. So, poof with that attitude. Push with that attitude.
That's all.
Hey, you need some listening, not a sip, not a swallow, but the whole dang bottle. We used to be nerds. Whoa. Or, my name is Peppermint Patty. I live in Cincinnati, 48 toe with a pickle up my nose, and this is how my story. I was walking down the something, and something about some curly blonde and something.
Wait, that might have been just my name.
And wasn't that a hand game?
Yeah, and then, Mama, Mama, can't you see what these babies done to me? Took away my MTV, now I'm watching Barney. Tic-tac-toe, 3 in a row. Barney got shot by a G.I. Joe. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, I'm so glad that Barney's dead.
You got practice?
Now feed, now feed those babies some cornbread, and don't stop till you're, oh, here we go, turn up, please. Into the sky like content. Yes, yes. Tears, forever you and I. There's one breath till we cross the sun's down. This is the moment time is wasting time. Cause you feel it again tonight. We're only here for one more night. Screaming out the rain one more time. I can't get you. Come on, stay young.
Ducks! No, it's not ducks. I'm just kidding. There's a barn in the middle of nowhere.
To the future. Come on, come on!
I'm going.
Come on, come on!
Where the hell are we going?
Daddy, you are on video camera. Do not say anything you do not want YouTube viewers to hear you saying.
Whatever.
He's a little kooky in the head, you know, like, oh no, that kooky in the head. Oh, there's a car!
I think I've been out.
Let me show you. He's going bald. See, look. I can't put that back on him. Headbang again, Daddy.
Huh?
Headbang again. Oh, sing along the road. Come on, come on.
Where the hell are we going?
Come on, come on. Come on, come on.
Shea.
We're only here for one more night.
No, it stopped.
No, it didn't.
Yeah, it did.
No, it didn't.
I'm just kidding.
Sing along the road. Come on, come on. Stay young. What?
Why are you doing this?
I don't know. I'm videotaping grass.
Get off the grass.
Okay, it's on the road.
Shea.
Where am I putting it on? Harris. Oh my! That's so cool. One of my teacher's name is Harris. That is so flippin' sneakers. Cool. Now, not Twister. We can change it. Roger, will you change it?
Maybe I want to listen to it.
I don't, it's too slow. Oh!
Shea, it's a waste of time.
No,
It's
it's
not
not.
funny.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it
See,
is.
we got
No,
it.
it's not.
Because you're not going to put it on YouTube if you just videotape everything around us.
I'm not.
And I'm for sale signs.
Yeah, you see, it's not on anything.
Okay, I can't sing the song, so I don't know, because we have to go taping a butt muncher eats butts, butt muncher, she just hit me, ow!
Yeah.
And she's the oh, cute! Oh, cute! Okay, well, we're leaving Container with the butt muncher eats butts, it confuses me. Bye, I love you, peace. Okay, Taylor, say bye.
Bye.
Butt muncher right there, she's a big butt muncher.